Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do I enable swipe photos on TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. TikTok has a feature of auto swipe when you upload multiple images on TikTok. Now, if this feature does not show to your app, you definitely need to do this. First, go to your settings on TikTok and click the free up space, and now clear the cache on your app. Once you're done doing that, go also to Play Store and make sure your TikTok is up to date. And now the last thing you're gonna need to do is go to your settings and go to your apps and go to manage apps and then search the TikTok. And now you also have to clear the cache from there. Now, these simple 3 steps will definitely solve your problem when it comes to auto swipes photos on TikTok. I hope you learned something in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.